I'm going to show you how to make money on Binance. I'll show you everything you need to know from buying and selling and how to trade on the platform. So if you are new here, please do us a favor, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you'll be the first to know whenever I will drop cool videos like this one. So this is going to be a full tutorial to show you how the Binance platform works and how to buy crypto from the platform. Okay, so I'm going to use my laptop for this, but if you are using Binance on your mobile phone, the process should be similar. So first things first, you need to download Binance or sign into Binance using this. I'll put a link to download Binance on the description section of this video. So once you sign in, you need to log in into your account, and from there you can buy crypto using the buy crypto button like you saw on the screen. Then the one-click buy crypto option helps you to buy crypto using your debit card, so you can specify the currency you want to pay with. So for me, I'll choose USD. Where is USD? Okay, so I'll choose USD, and on the receive you can choose any coin you want to receive. So for me, I can just choose BUSD and set the amount, specify the amount of USD you want to spend. So once you spend that, you get the equivalent of what the coin you specified. Okay, so from here you just click on continue for you to proceed with the transaction. Okay, Binance supports paying with bank card. So if your debit card is supported and you have funds on the card, you can use your card to make this payment. So even if your local bank card is not working, you can sign up to virtual card and use your virtual card to buy from Binance directly. I'll put a link to our video on how to get virtual cards in. Okay, I'm not going to do a live purchasing here because I already have some assets on my account, and it's quite difficult to get a card that works due to the current situation in the country. So from here, I'll just show you an overview of how the Binance dashboard works. So on clicking off the account overview, you see every asset you own. So this is my wallet overview, and I currently have 42 USD. So from here you have fiat wallet. You also have funding wallet. This is used for trading on the P2P platform. So you also have cross margin and isolated wallet as well. Those are used for trading cross margin. The fiat and spot wallet is used for depositing fiat currencies or depositing cryptocurrencies and trading on the Binance platform. So any currency you have on the fiat wallet, you can use that to trade. Binance also has an NFT feature where you can list your NFTs and sell them on the Binance Exchange platform as well. So this is a new feature, and you can even sign up and get free NFTs courtesy of Binance. Okay, so on the right you see all the transaction history you've completed. So these are my transactions over the past few months. So you can deposit crypto and you can also deposit fiat currencies. Clicking on the deposit button, you have the option to choose what you want to deposit. So you can buy directly with your bank card and also buy from P2P. I'm not going to cover the P2P in this video because that's a whole new video on its own. Okay, so choosing the deposit fiat, you can deposit any fiat currency that Binance supports. Okay, if you use euro, you have the option to pay using your bank debit or credit card. So from there you just specify, enter your card details and choose the amount of euro you want to deposit into your wallet. Alternatively, you can deposit cryptocurrencies. If you click on the buy crypto button, you can choose to deposit from an external wallet. So let's say I want to deposit BNB. I'll specify the wallet and the network I want to deposit with, and it will send me display my wallet address. So all you need to do is to copy this address, then go to the external wallet where you want to fund the account you want to fund this wallet with. So you just send the equivalent you want, and it will reflect on your the token will reflect on your wallet once the transaction completes. You also have the option to withdraw your cryptocurrencies to an external wallet. You can also withdraw your fiat currencies, but I'm going to use the crypto option here. Once you click on the withdraw crypto option, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. So you need to have some tokens in your wallet before you can withdraw that. So once you do that, you select the coin you want to withdraw and choose the network. So below that, you see all your recent transactions. So I'm going to choose one of the coins I'm holding. I'm not going to do a live withdrawal, but I'll just show you how to do that. So next, you select the network you want to transact with. I'm going to use the Doge network. It has a little higher fee, but it's going to process faster. So next up, you choose the amount of Doge or the amount of the token you want to withdraw, then proceed with the transaction. Okay, when withdrawing, you enter the wallet you want to withdraw to, and you choose the options you want, the amount you want to withdraw, and the external wallet will be funded with the equivalent you chose. So this is my fiat dashboard. This is all the tokens I currently own. You can transfer from one wallet to another. Let's say you want to trade on the P2P platform. You can transfer from your spot wallet into your funding wallet, and any fund on the funding wallet can be used to trade on the P2P platform. So you can transfer any token you own currently and use that to trade on the P2P platform. This video is not about the P2P. We're going to do focus on the spot trading in a bit. So this is just like an intro to Binance and how the platform works. In the next section, we're going to show you how to trade on the Binance platform. Okay, now I'm going to walk you through how to trade on the Binance platform. So initially, Binance has like a convert feature that you can use to directly convert your cryptocurrencies without having to trade using the trading platform. My network is a bit bad. I don't know what's wrong. Let me try to reconnect it. Okay, we're back. So on the Binance Convert platform, you can directly exchange your cryptocurrencies from one token to another. So you can choose the token you want to exchange. You can just scan through the Binance platform to choose the one you want to exchange, and then you choose the one you want to convert it to. Then you specify the amount you want to convert. Once you click on this process, it will immediately process your transaction with 0 fees. But the disadvantage about using this platform is it will trade using the market price. So whatever the price is at the particular time, you can't control it. It will just buy using the best possible price, which can be higher or lower. You can't specify the price. And this is not how like advanced trading works. You need to be able to control the price you buy with. You can set limits for this, for your transaction, but generally I don't advise using this platform for trading, because it's quite basic and you will not be able to make a lot of profits if you use this convert feature. But I just wanted to show you that it's possible to use that without having to trade. So we're going to focus on the spot trading. So navigate to the spot trading wallet. So this is the Binance trading app. It will show you, it may look confusing at first, but everything everything has a purpose there, and I'm going to walk you through what each of them does. So on this left panel, you see the cryptocurrency prices as the updates in real time. So this shows the amount of trades that are occurring at each instance. The green light indicates buy order and the red light indicates sell order. In between that is the exact market price which people trade with. So the prices for the buying and selling may differ depending on the orders that are executed. So on this right panel, you can choose the currency pair you want to trade with. For example, you can choose USDT BTC pair. You can choose ADA USDT pair. So I'm going to search for Matic. You can choose the Matic Polygon coin, Matic USDT pair. And below that, you see all the pairs that are currently available for that particular token. And on this panel, you see the prices. The left panel shows the prices for the buying and selling. So on the middle panel, this is like the historical charts that shows how the currency is performing over a specified period of time. So Binance has two views, the original view and the trading view. The original view is quite detailed, but not as detailed as compared to the trading view, because with the trading view you can customize how you want your chart to look. So the chart, you can specify the time frame you need. You can choose 1 week, you can choose for a day, you can choose for 4 hours and the likes. So it depends on how much data you need. You can specify the time frame you need for this. And below that, you see on the charts, the red candles indicates buying and the green candle indicates selling. The red candle indicates like when it's going bearish, like the cryptocurrency is going down, while the green indicates a bullish movement, that's the cryptocurrency is going up. So from the chart, you can see that Matic is currently going bullish despite the crypto crash. It is still growing. So that's the reason why I chose this coin for this tutorial. So on the sports panel, you can choose to buy. You have the option to buy and sell Matic. Because we chose Matic USDT pair, or only buying using, if you want to buy Matic, you are buying using USDT, and if you want to sell, you sell your Matic for USDT. So the amount, you specify the amount of Matic you want to buy, and it will calculate the USDT equivalent for you. So the advantage of using this limit order is you can specify the limit you want to buy at, and the trade will not execute until that limit is met. So you look at the charts, and most beginner traders usually sign up for, let's say, a free signal group, like join a group where you can see where they send free trading signal. That will help you to make profit from crypto trading, because you can specify the limit you want to buy in, and the limit you buy in it defines the amount of profit you make. Okay, before I forget, cryptocurrency trading is the act of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So to become a profitable trader, you need to buy cryptocurrencies when it's low and sell it when it's high. You can manually do that by buying when the price is low and monitoring the chart to know when it appreciates for you to sell your cryptocurrencies. And you can also automate it by setting stop loss and stop limits on the Binance platform, so that it will execute the trade when that limit is met, and also sell. So you can automate the buying and selling of your cryptocurrencies using the stop limit. So in crypto trading, the whole logic and everything that goes in crypto trading is to just buy low and sell high. That's like the summary of crypto trading. Okay, so the Binance trading platform also has a market order that you can use to buy. So the difference between market order and limit order is that the market order buys using the best possible price, and that can vary because you can't control the market order. It just trade, as you can see from the chart, the price is changing every second. So the bots will look for the best possible price to execute your trade for you, and it's going to execute instantly. But the disadvantage is you can't control the price it will buy at, so it can be lower or higher depending on the market price. I wouldn't recommend using this if you want to be serious with your trading. I recommend you setting limits for your transactions. And one way to get signals is to join our crypto trading signal group. I'll put a link to our group in the description section of this video. Okay, so you can also use the stop limits to buy your cryptocurrencies. The advantage of this is that you can specify the limit you want. You can use this to minimize your losses in crypto trading. Let's say you want to automate your trade to sell let's say this coin is 0.88 at the moment, and you want to sell it at 0.899, for example. So you can set your limit to buy at 0.87, so that whenever it goes down to that limit, you buy it at a low price. And you can set your sell you can set the sell order for it to sell at 0.899. Then you specify a stop loss at 0.88. So when you do this, even if the price doesn't get to that 0.89 you initially set to sell your cryptocurrency, whenever it's going down and it reaches your stop limit, it will automatically sell and minimize your losses. So let's say you got it at 0.88 and you set your stop loss at 0.87, so you are only losing 0.01 for in case the trade is not successful. And that's the hidden truth about trading. Not all trades you open will be successful. So in some trades you make huge profits, in some you lose profit, you lose your capital as well. But there is a way to minimize. Okay, let me set an example of how a trading order will look. So let's say I want to buy this coin at 0.88. I can set my stop loss for the buy so that it doesn't buy at a high price. So I will specify that on my buy panel. Then also go to the sell part and specify my stop loss. So the value of, like I mentioned, the value of this stop loss will ensure you don't lose too much money in case the trade is not successful. So from there, I'll set the limits. This limit usually comes from the trading. If you're on a trading group, they usually send signal with the limit to buy with, the stop loss to set. So all these values are usually given in case so if you're a beginner, I'll recommend joining a group that provides such signals. So let's say I set my limit for the sell and the buy here, and also specify my stop loss and to specify my stop loss. So I can proceed with this trade. Let's say I want to buy 1,000 Matic. It's going to cost 861 USDT. So if I buy that, I'm going to spend 863 USDT. So if I'm to sell that same coin, I'm going to make a profit of $30 for this particular trade if the trade is successful. But I can minimize my losses, so even if it's not successful, the trade will execute and sell my coin for me. So if this coin is going to crash, I can minimize my losses by setting stop loss. So this is like an example of how trading works. And you can see from this fictitious trade, I'm making a profit of $30 for this example trade. So like I mentioned, trading is not always as rosy as it sounds. Even advanced traders also make mistakes. I wouldn't say mistakes per se, but not all of their trades are successful. So if you are going to do this, you need to fund your cryptocurrency and your Binance account with USDT too, or you can send Matic directly into your Binance and use that for your trading. So this is the stop limit is used to automate your trading. You can use that to set limits for your buying and as well as your selling of a particular coin. So like the whole concept, to summarize, the whole concept is to just buy low and sell high. That's like the whole summary of trading. So I'm going to stop here for now and show you other cool ways you can make money from Binance. Binance has this really cool earn feature which you can subscribe to if you have like assets that are. So if you don't want to trade, if you're not like an active trader but you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you can subscribe to Binance Earn and make money from your crypto assets. As you can see, holding this Axie Infinity coin for a period of 90 days, you can get as high as 104% for your cryptocurrency. That's like a high return on investment. If you also hold BUSD, this Binance stable coin, the promise as high as 10%. BNB token holders can also get as high as 13% for their crypto assets. So if you're not an active trader, I recommend using this Binance Earn feature to make money from your crypto investments. So that's it, guys. These are the ways you can make money from Binance. I've shown you how to trade on the Binance platform and also how the Binance Earn platform works. Thank you guys for watching this particular video, and I will see you in the